Hello friends. Friends, today I am going to show you how you can earn INR 500 in just 2 minutes. So if you are interested then watch this video. So I am starting now. So guys, first you have to open your Chrome browser and search here for YouGov. You can see I am typing here YouGov, YOUGOV, India, sign up. So you have to type the same and you just have to search it as I am going to do. So you can see there are the results for YouGov, and in the first result there is a join tab and you just have to click on the join. So now this is the YouGov website and you have to sign up here. Here this is written that sign up with email. So if you want to sign up with email, then give here your email and password, and here you will see cookies, for cookies, notification for cookies. So just accept it, it is so much necessary. So to sign up, just give your email address and password and sign up with email. If you want to sign up with Facebook, then you can see here in the below that here is the option for sign up with Facebook. You can sign up here with Facebook account. After doing sign up with the email, you will see this page. There you can read, thanks for registering. You will now receive an email from us containing a link that you will need to click on for us to authenticate you. So you will receive an email to verify your account. So just search in your Gmail account, is there any email from YouGov, and just verify your account. So guys, you can see here is the YouGov email for verification. I am just opening this, and here uh, this is the tab. You can see start survey. It will authenticate your account, so I am going to click it, and I will reach now YouGov website, and my account will be activated itself. Yeah, you can see I have reached to the website, and now this is the cookies notification. You just have to accept it as I am doing, and now you can see here you have 0 points. Here you actually earn points which you can redeem, and you can redeem cash later for that points. Okay, you can redeem cash for those points. So I'm showing you how you can earn money. Here you can read, welcome to the YouGov panel, next step, take your first survey and start earning points. So then just click on take a survey. Oh, yeah, you can see the survey is started now, and I'm doing this survey. You have to choose your language. Okay, so this website will ask you some questions to know your interest and information about you. So just give your proper information to them, so can they could know about you. So guys, just respond all questions, and after completing the survey you will get some money. So so now I'm going to show you some other features of this site. You can click on the three lines to go to the menus, and I'm showing you in the first tab. This tab is for take part. You can take part into the service, latest stories, whatever the stories in the sites you can read. Rewards, in the reward section you can redeem your money. Charity, you can give your money in the charity. FAQs is for the some questions if you want to know their if you want to know answers of those questions. So you can go to FAQs, my account sections. You can, in my account section, you can edit your detail and see results. Yeah, there are home, life, consumer, sports, politics. These all are normal. These all are normal. You can see. You can just open this tab and these tabs and see what is this. It's just normal. So I'm not going to tell you about this. And the last is find solutions. If you want to get solutions about anything, you can choose these tabs. And in the last, contact us. If you have any query, you want to know anything, you can contact the YouGov team and they will reply you whatever the query you have. So guys, hope you like this video. So just start to earn money with this tutorial. I hope you liked it. Okay, bye bye.